which the parties or the litigants are relying is also relied by everybody. How will a candidate know?
We do not know everybody. We know
How
only
will a candidate know which book to follow and what not to follow?
that is not my business to see. Well, I wanted to cooperate with the court. For that reason, I should not be
Yes.
punished by the court.
Yes, 5.
My lord, 5, my lord, I am for the petitioner here, my lord. The subject is Sanskrit.
Five, Justice.
There are 15 petitioners here.
My lord, I have paid the court fees.
Now, Mr. Bandopadhyay is saying something.
My lord, 15 people, different cases cannot come together, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, 15 petitioners are challenging the same questions in respect of subject Sanskrit.
Same question, same.
Same question.
All Sanskrit. Which question?
Yes. There are different questions, my lord. Mainly question, 3 questions are there, my lord. Question.
They cannot be clubbed together.
Question.
Same no.
My lord, question number 6, question number 48 and question number 51.
All 3 have got all 15 same group.
Same question.
No.
All 15 are challenging the same question. They have different question booklet series, but
Question is the same.
question is the same.
And the preliminary answer was proper.
Preliminary answer, we have raised objection on the basis of the preliminary answer. And my lord, in the final answer key, it has not been changed.
Right.
We have annexed, my lord, recognized books of having ISBN number, that whatever we are saying is correct. What, my lord, we are praying, my lord, let the commission, other than who have considered any other expert, and come back with a report, my lord. Because, my lord, when there are, I have not annexed one but several, my lord, recognized books showing that our contention is correct.
Only 15 petitioners.
Out of 15, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7 persons have objected.
Have
And-
objected, others have not.
No. Apart from that, Mr. Dasgupta, kindly allow us to speak at least. You people are not allowing anybody. This 7 of them. Now 114. Kindly come to page 114.
Yes.
Someone raised 114 4 objections. 115 2 objections.
114, I see 3 objections, not 4. It is Mamata Maiti.
Yes.
3 objections.
3.
3.
3.
Yes, sorry, Miller. 3. It should be 3. And 115 2 objections.
1.
One objection.
Yes,
One.
1 objection. So, 116
Two.
2 objections.
117, 3.
117 3 objections.
How have you considered? Just let the court know.
Miller, this is all the just 1 minute, Miller. Miller, this is the Miller, this is total 975, no? Miller, in one question 975 raised objection. In another question 303 persons raised objections. Now, Miller, this has been dealt with. We have sent it to the expert. Now, expert has said the answers are question number 47. Answer are unchanged with original master key. This is expert's opinion. That is whatever it was earlier there. 24 to 47. All questions are there. And wherever the change, that they have not raised objection there. The objections which have raised by them, expert says that these are unchanged with original.
Tell me one thing. You all recognize the books which the petitioners have annexed. And in
We
other
have-
matters also, I see they have annexed
we have
books.
not we have not recognized any books.
That means these books are recognized.
There are so many books in several places, several persons are there.
Why don't you all publish something that these are the books that the commission recognizes so that
No,
everybody gets to know?
commission is not the person to do it. If the education department will do it or the college will do it, we are only meant to conduct the examination, not any other things.
Right. Now they
SSC
are.
has nothing to do. SSC,
They-
Malad, kindly appreciate one thing. SSC doesn't have their own professor. They appoint professor, assistant professor, whatever they are doing from the recognized universities. Only to this extent. Thereafter, whatever comes from the different university, different professors, these are set, paper setting. Then they give a also preliminary answer key. That we publish. Even now, if anybody raises any objection, we don't deal with that. We send it to the expert committee. The expert committee will decide it. But I am not the person who will decide paper. I am not the person who will decide the correct answer. I will not decide whether it's wrong or right. Rather, I am just carrying on the work. I am a bridge between everyone.
Now the petitioners or anybody who's coming here, they are annexing copies of the study material from recognized bodies.
There may be in one, Lordship knows, in one point, there may be several opinions.
That be so, then all answers have to be correct, treated as correct.
No. The person who is writing the book, what is his authority to write the book? That is also seen. If I today I have write a book for geography.
No, then that book has to be recognized.
No,
Not
if
by
I get
anybody.
it, recognition is not a factor. If it is recognized, finish. Today I am writing a book on tort. I am a lawyer on tort. Now it is recognized.
No, it is not recognized, sir. You get your book
And
recognized.
appreciate this. If it is recognized, I am saying if it is recognized. If the judges come to a point, no, this is the point of law is not correct.
Then it has to go to an appeal forum.
But even if your lordships does not rely upon any books, where the certain explanations are there. Therefore, one has to go by the expert opinion. There for few persons there cannot be a truncated route. This route is followed for everyone.
The other book which the parties or the litigants are relying is also relied by everybody. How will a candidate know?
We do not know everybody. We know
How
only
will a candidate know which book to follow and what not to follow?
that is not my business to see. We do not know how many persons are following this book. Candidate may have purchased this book. He is following. There are so many candidates.
Yes.
And
So many candidates, so many books.
so many books. If
Yes.
1,000 candidates are there, 500 books are maybe there.
Right.
The 500 books I will consider.
You say this book to read. Let the state government say this book to read.
No, this is not there. This is not there. If the state government, does, that's a different part. If the state government does, it is a different part. But how I can be blamed for that?
How do you blame the students or the candidates for that?
No, I am on the opinion. I am going on the basis of the opinion of the professors. I am
You
going
engage
on the
another
basis of the
professor, you get another answer.
But I do not know.
Yes, that is the reason you in the last matter sought for direction to engage some other expert.
No, that I am
also
still.
not sure.
That is in between court and myself.
Yes.
That is not that I wanted to try. I wanted to try to resolve a problem. That's the
Right.
reason.
Right.
That's the
If
reason.
we are
Otherwise, I
trying to
wanted to
resolve
cooperate
problems.
I wanted to cooperate with the court. For that reason, I should not be
Yes.
punished by the court.
No, not question of punishment. We are all here for finding out resolutions,
Therefore,
nothing else.
If anything is there, lordships can pass the similar order. Let it goes to the commission to decide. But the point is here, this factually it is different, not that like that case. It is that the preliminary which is there that has been opined by the expert committee same. Factually, it is totally different case altogether. Earlier case,
No, I understand. I understand. But then I was just.
Preliminary reply was correct, expert committee has changed. And here is the case, preliminary, what is the preliminary that has been kept by the expert?
I can understand this, but then how come these
But that is the
study
reason-
materials are coming? I do not know.
Maybe that is the reason why earlier on that day I have cited the judgment.
11 and
But
12.
can I show the judgment, Miller? Other materials will not be taken into
Is the
consideration
state
by the
government
court.
recognizing these books?
Yes, my lord, these books are being taught. Let them say that they do not recognize, they do not know this.
State government recognizes.
Madam, there is a syllabus committee under the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Expert body, books will be approved by the government, their number will be there.
See whether this is, please see whether this book is
94.
Oh, yes.
94.
ISBN number is there.
Yeah, please check up.
Page 94.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Let the state come up with an answer.
Muller, can I say one thing, Muller?
Yes,
Muller,
yes.
on the other day, Muller, I cited one the Supreme Court judgment. If your lordships, I can give it to you again. That
No,
your
no,
lordships
you
has
just
dealt
wait.
with that. And
Just
the
wait.
court, Muller, can I read? Can I read, Muller?
No, I just want to know whether the state is recognizing this book or not.
Okay. I have nothing to say, Muller, on this.
Page 97 you watch.
Please come. The petitioners participated in the second
পড়তে পারছি আরে। আরে, এই,
SSP for recruitment as assistant teachers. On publication of the preliminary model answer key,
কই?
the petitioners raised objection in respect of a couple of questions.
এখানে নেই।
The objections were considered by the commission and the final answer key has been published. Stop. There is no change in the answer of the preliminary question with the final answer key. Stop.
Wait.
According to the petitioners, they have answered the questions relying on the study material from the book, which is book which has a which has an ISBN number. Stop. It has been submitted that the said book is taught in classes 11 and 12. 11 and 12.
এটা কোনটা রে?
ঠিক আছে? 11 and 12
এইটাই তো।
in schools
Police
sponsored by the state. Now, in the government sponsored / aided schools. Stop. Paragraph. Have any of you passed the cutoff?
No, my lord.
None. All right. As none of the petitioners have obtained
My lord,
the
I stand to be corrected. My lord, the petition number 3, 4, 9, 11, 14 has been called for verification.
all right, who have been called, who have not called, I'm not passing any into
Yes,
the model. Line take it in. Likhun. The learned government representing the state respondent is directed to revert with instruction as to whether the books, ISBN number of which is annexed to the writ petition are recognized by the education department of the state, and whether these books are taught in the schools of the government.
My lord, kindly record my one objection that
Yes.
8 persons have not raised any objection, preliminary
All right.
objection.
Learned counsel representing the commission submits that out of the 15 petitioners, 8 of them did not raise any objection. Right? Release the matter for further consideration on 22nd of December.
But I don't know. Please, short period.
Short period. It is your books. Just tell whether these are recognized. What is the short period? The verification process is going on. 31st is the date. Acha, the receipt showing deficit, payment of deficit court fees and the service be taken on record.
Diploma.